Dear viewers, in front of me, little child is. He is an artist. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome, Assalam.
What's your name?
Hulkasmi?
You have made this.
Yes.
In this sketch, what is the reason? What is the? I don't know about that. Tell me about that.
Okay. First, we will start with the ground because the Pakistan. This is the Pakistan. The neighbors all India. India was super bad. The times Imran Khan was small. The time Imran Khan was small, all of the kids hit the birds with the lock. Because of that, all of the birds come to Pakistan to fly.
Today, the exhibition title was. The name of title exhibition is Parcham Ke Saaye Tale.
Haan.
Oh yes. Any message from youth? Any message from Pakistani childs?
I don't know.
You don't know. Thank you so much. ये थे एक मुस्तहिक है गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए हमारे इन मासूम बच्चों का सरपरस्ती करे और इनके को प्रमोट करे। बलूचिस्तान में हर दूसरे घर में इस तरह के टैलेंट हमें मिलते हैं। कैमरामैन दोस्त जान बलोच के साथ सिकंदर पिरकानी, BNC न्यूज़, कोयटा।